Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel A Plus Mind. Now we are doing the continuing lesson number 6, prime factorization and GCF. Do you think every number is simple? Just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These numbers are simple? No. These numbers are so not simple. Or are some numbers built from the hiding building blocks? No, ये नहीं line बोल रही. दोबारा. Do you think every number is simple? Or are some numbers built from the hidden building blocks which were discussed in the previous videos? And in this video, I will explain this, what are the building blocks, every numbers. Now today we discuss the prime numbers. Now we explain what is the prime numbers. Prime numbers have only two factors, 1 and itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7. So on. If I give you any example, any mind game, can you check this? Is that 10 a prime number? Can you tell me the prime number of 10? 10 is a prime number. Can you tell me yes or no? Simple. It's not a prime number. Question like this. Why? Because its factors are 2 multiply 5 is equal to 10. 1 multiply 10 is equal to 10. These are the factors. Because the factors of 2, 1, 2, 5, 10. These are the factors. So 10 are not the prime numbers. Okay. Students, please understand this. This is a powerful part of this primer factorization. Powerful part of this lecture. Please again see this. Every number can be broken down into prime numbers. For example, 12. 12 prime numbers are 6 multiply 2 is a 12. But we will write the smallest number. We will start from the smallest number. So just like 3 multiply 2 is a 6, multiply 2 is a 12. It's a 12. So we write 3 multiply 2 multiply 2. So we again see this 12. How you can write? 4 multiply 3 is a 12. But if you write like this, 3 multiply 2 into 2 multiply 2. So can you write this? 3 multiply 2 multiply 2. So we can write this. These are the same. So we can write the one copy just like this. 3 multiply 2 multiply 2. These are the building blocks. These are the prime numbers of the 12. Now you understand this is prime factorization. This is a prime factorization. Okay, you understand this? Okay. Can you try the prime factorization of 20? Can you tell me? Okay, I explain you. 20 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. It's a 20. Just like 2 5s are 10. So 4 5s are 20. So we don't write 4. We read take the smallest number 2 multiply 5. These are the prime factors of 20. I hope you completely understand this prime factorization. Now we will start the GCF. What are the GCF? GCF. Now let's level up. What is a GCF? Great common factors. Take two numbers. I again explain you, note, we do like this, the prime factorization, you can take more than two numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any numbers, which are the building blocks of the any number, but in the GCF, we will take only two numbers. Find their common factors and pick the greatest one. In the different example, I explained you how we can say this, find their common factors and pick the greatest one, in which we won't take the least numbers, we take the greatest number. Okay, we do the different example in which you easily understand the GCF. Okay, now we will do the different examples of GCF. Just like I will give you two numbers, 40, 140. Okay, this is the 40, 140. Firstly, we will do the prime factorization. Now we can start the GCF. What we are doing? Firstly, we do the prime factorization and then we will start the GCF. I explained you in this video why we can mix them, the prime factorization and GCF. Firstly, we do the building blocks of the any number just like 40, which we can write 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and 8 5 the 40. Okay. Now 140. How you can write this? 2 multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 7. Okay. These are the prime factorization. Now, what are the common factors? I again repeat this. What are the common factors? We will take the just like 2, these 2 and 5. These are the common factors. Now we collect these common factors. 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. We don't count them 7, 2 because these are the not common factors. Okay. Now we will multiply them 2 to the 2, 4, 4 5 are 20. Now the common factor of GCF. Now we can calculate the GCF of 40 and 150. It will be 20. Now I hope you can understand it. What is GCF of the 40 and 140? It's a 20. Now you can completely understand by easy methods prime factorization and GCF. And how you can calculate the GCF? Firstly, you understand this prime factorization which I explained you earlier, and now the GCF. Okay, students. Now I'll give you a challenge. What is the GCF of 24 and 36? Please tell me in the comments. Okay, students, now you have learned how to break numbers into primers and even find the greatest common factors. I hope you completely understand this. But here is the next question. What the smallest numbers can meet at? That's where the things get really interesting. In the next video, we will unlock the LCM. You will understand what the LCM is. The concept that connects everything together. Drop your answer in the comments. GCF of 18 and 30. Let's see who gets it right. Allah Hafiz.